What's up, guys? I decided to trade 2 wheels with a motor for 2 wheels without a motor and see how well I could do in a mountain bike race. In the effort of getting in shape, I signed myself up for my first ever mountain bike race with the Non-Dot Mountain Bike Racing Series in Southern California.
So we are in beautiful South Orange County at Irvine Regional Park, and we are about to do a mountain bike race. Why? We don't know, but we're here to do it.
In the past, I had won motorcycle races, BMX races, and now it was time to see if I could get the ultimate trifecta and bring home some hardware on a mountain bike.
Lead and guide us. Give us a safe race. Amen.
All that was standing between me and my trifecta was 7.5 miles, 1,100 feet of elevation,
Take a deep breath.
and 8 hungry riders.
4, 3,
How hard could it be?
1, go.
Halfway through the race, my legs were on fire, my lungs starving for air. I was one position away from being last in my class, and I still had another climb ahead of me. But I'd be damned if I was gonna quit.
Took me some time to realize this is brutal. Take myself to a new sky. I wanna live, I wanna die, I wanna thank myself for getting out.
While I was quite a ways from making it onto the podium, I was proud of my resolve. I had finished 26th out of 50 overall in the amateur category, and 6 out of 8 in my class. But one thing is certain, if I ever want to get that trifecta, I've got a lot of work to do.